So, guys, welcome back to week 19 now. I remembered of my weekly journals, and today it's a Monday. Surprise, surprise! I've not done a journal on Monday for a minute, so I'll quickly share the screen, and it's literally just turned 2 o'clock right now. I've not looked at the charts just yet, so I thought, you know what, we'll do it together because 2 o'clock on a Monday is my preferred time to start looking at the markets. Interesting. Already, I see Aussie dollar, US dollar. Smooth that up there. Plenty of space there. I might just tilt it like that a little bit. All right, should all be good. Okay, so Aussie dollar, US dollar. What am I seeing right now? Shit, did I put a weekly outlook out? Whoa, I don't think I did. Okay. All right, what I'll do is I'll kind of actually, but if I make the weekly outlook on this, then okay, let's just roll with it. Let's just roll with it. Let me just explain what's happening. What I see over here is on daily uptrend structure happening over here quite consistently. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Over here, as price did try to push up, it failed to make a higher high. It's made a lower high. What I'm anticipating right now is for price to, because it looks like it's losing the upwards momentum, especially on weekly as well. There seems to be a bit of resistance over here. Price is just like kind of consolidating. Price may want to make a push lower now, right? What I'm waiting for happen is price to break this higher low, and on the retest of it, take it much short. Take a short on this pair. What I was seeing though, that there was on 4 hour, there was this range box over here, and what I was anticipating was in whichever way the range box is broken. So if it's broken to the upside, price may continue rallying to the upside. If it's broken to the downside, price may continue rallying. Price may continue pushing lower. And there's this level of support over here as well. What I'm waiting for price to do is break this level of support, because it's already seemed to have broken this, but it's kind of like come to a bit of a stop at this level of support. Once price does break this level of support, though, I will take a short from here to, around here, this sort of level. I don't know how many pips that is, though. Around 50 odd pips. So I'm going to be placing about a 15 pip stop loss on that, which will be looking something like this. Let's say, yeah. So if I take the entry over here, stop loss is going to be at the bottom of this range box over here. Obviously, I need a break to happen first, and obviously a retest to see, how I'm going to enter it. But that is the plan. So I want to take one short from more or less where the price is right now, obviously with a bit more of the confirmation of it going lower, and then that will probably be at 1%. And then another short that I want to take, which will be at a bit more of a risk, will be from a break of this higher low. And yeah, that is my stance on this one. Euro USD, beautiful. This is a bit similar to that as well. However, with this I can see a little bit more. So this was also making like uptrend structure over here. So high high, high low. Oh my god. It's compulsory for me to yawn on every pair that I go over. Anyways, quickly. So high 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 low, high 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 low, high high, equal low, and then lower high, potentially a lower low, and price is coming down here nicely, breaking that. And the ideal position for me to enter would be over here on a break of this neckline, because this is also formed head and shoulders pattern. So that's a shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And I want to take that lower. Simple as. Price is coming quite nicely with momentum up to that level over there in the neckline. So I just want to see how it breaks, gives it a bit of a retest, and then I will enter for a short. USD card, beautiful. All right, absolutely amazing. price has been consolidating at these levels and breaking out and consolidating. So over here as well, price had been consolidating after the breakout from here, and now it seems to have broken up to the upside. I'd love for it to come back for a retest and then for me to enter long on this one. Plain and simple, to be honest. If you look deep enough, there's potentially inverse head and shoulders over here as well. I mean, it's clearer to see on the 4 hour, to be honest. So let's say that is left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. And price is coming to break the neckline, and I will continue pushing upwards. Well, that's the plan anyways. Let me just speed run through these now. I'm pretty sure the upturn on this still stands because this was an equal higher low. It was better if I showed the weekly on this one. So price making uptrend structure. So yep, that level over there marks the equal higher low, and now I'm expecting price to push up if the uptrend structure is still to stand. And there's 3 points of entries that I've potentially going to take. So this is a strong level of resistance. If this gets broken, then I'll take an entry over there. This is obviously the level of support, which is the previous high low. So if I see good rejection from here, I'll take an entry from there. And the last one is this weekly key level over there. Price may just seem to stall over there and then push up. So it's supported by the 4 hour. You know, there's a lot of like choppiness, perhaps even, you know, price is caught up in a range around here as well. So could be a good level to enter on. Bit of a bullish engulfing over there. Not my priority this pair, but I will have a look depending on a close of today's daily candle. This is beautiful as well, right? Price had made a consolidation for quite a while on this downtrend retracement, and now it seems to have broken out and lost the momentum to the upside. Right, it should be coming lower, so entries could be taken very soon on this as well. GU, it's nice, it's interesting. It seems to have already played the move out as I wanted to, but I'll wait for a break of this level over here and then see what's happening. Euro JPY, oh wow, that's a juicy move. Unfortunately, I seem to have missed out on that, but let's see. If price doesn't want to push any lower or rebound from here, I will just quickly analyze that again later on. GJ more of the same. Seems to have played out the move. But it'd be nice for it to show us a retest of this weekly key level. I just want to double check if it has or has not done already. Got my lip skin. No, so it's not retested. It's just made a very nice break. It'd be nice for it to see a retest of around this sort of level over here where these candles are as well. Pretty tight stop loss, and then bam, take it lower. That would be nice. UJ seems to be making the move as anticipated as well. Euro GBP. I was just going to leave this on because I can't see much going on right now. What I'll do is on a close of the daily, I'll see what I want to do with this. But yeah, guys, I don't want this to drag on anymore. So I'm just going to end it here. This is Monday. This is my analysis for the week ahead. And I intend to take trades, you know, based off of this analysis. And yeah, that's free for now. I may check in later when I place trades. If not, then I will check in on tomorrow. All right. Have a good week ahead. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back to the journal. It's week 19 right now. From the voice, you guys can already tell that I'm pretty that I'm not so well right now. But I'll quickly go through the trades and whatever the hell happened this week. It was not a good week, I'll be real. I think on Monday alone, I think I was about 3% down or something like that, or maybe even 4. And then by Tuesday, that was me done for the week. Let me show you what I'm going in. I only placed trades on a few of these. I think it was Euro USD, USD CAD, and maybe Euro GBP as well. From what I remember. No, GBP USD it was. Yeah, I remember that. So yeah, let me just run you through it. I had really good analysis for this, but I was already out at that time, I believe, or I was already, I'd already like maxed out, you know, how many trades I could have entered for the day or how much it could be open, and I didn't manage to enter this for that reason. I think Euro USD it took me out and went in the direction that I originally planned to over the week. However, when I was taking trades, I was taking trades in the opposite direction. I don't know what took over me. I really don't. I don't know why I was seeing that stuff. Same with the USD CAD stuff. Literally the same thing, right? For some reason, I'm taking trades in the opposite direction to the one I did initially intended to. So, all I need to have was a little bit more patience for it to reach my zones and then take trades appropriately. But I was just trying to jump the gun. I saw certain things happening and I was like, yeah, this is it. This is confirmed. It's going down. Whereas I should have had a bit more patience for, okay, even though I saw certain things, those things should have, completed, and then I should have entered the trade. But yeah, it's poor from me on my part. So I think I took about 3 trades altogether on USD CAD. I think a couple of them were at 1%, and then one was at 2%. Euro USD, I think the trade was a 2%. What was it? Maybe it was. Maybe. GPSD was a 2%, and I thought I entered one in Euro GBP, but unfortunately, I didn't. This would have been very nice if I did happen to, but yeah, just wasn't my week at all. Trading wise, life wise, it was just a bit of a shit week, but we move. But yeah, it's going to be a quick one right now. I can't even be asked talking right now. Like even the journaling, the paper journals that I do, like the journals that I type up. I've been so lazy, so lethargic, like so tired. I've not done any of those either. So I'm just gonna quickly go do those, reset the charts, and analyze for the upcoming week ahead. But yeah, that's it for me for now, guys. Peace.